पॉजिटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस फॉर एडहेरिंग टू द रूल्स। असर्टिव डिसिप्लिन की हम बात कर रहे हैं और हमने ये देखा है कि असर्टिव डिसिप्लिन में रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मिसबिहेवियर्स आर चेक्ड एंड दे आर एलिमिनेटेड। लेकिन इसमें बहुत जरूरी है कि पॉजिटिव बिहेवियर्स जो हैं उनको ड्यूली एक्नॉलेज किया जाए। इसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है that a teacher must praise the students for exhibiting positive behaviors. Praise जो है वो बहुत जरूरी है। Students के right behaviors को सराहना बहुत जरूरी है, so that students know that their good behaviors are acknowledged by the teacher. इसके अलावा जो positive reinforcement है, जिसमें rewards आ जाते हैं, जिसमें praise आ जाती है, इसमें होता यूं है कि students जो हैं they feel good about themselves for displaying the right kind of behaviors. और automatically वो ये जान जाते हैं कि जो misbehavior है that has a negative consequence and they have to avoid it to the maximum. तो schools में ये बहुत जरूरी है कि शुरू में ही हम students को positive और negative behaviors के बारे में बता दें और साथ ये बता दें कि अगर वो अच्छे behaviors को exhibit करेंगे, अगर वो अच्छे behaviors classroom में exhibit करेंगे, so praise and rewards will follow. So praise is a very important phenomenon in any classroom and praise helps a lot in maintaining good discipline in the classroom. इसके अलावा जब students को हम शाबाश देते हैं and if we praise the students, तो होता यूं है that it raises the self-esteem of the students. Students जो हैं वो पुरेतमाद होते हैं and students feel good about themselves. And this behavior is extremely important to have in the classroom. It is very important to raise the self-esteem of students. आमतौर पे ये देखा गया है कि बच्चा जो है वो जितना छोटा होगा उसकी self-esteem उतनी ज्यादा होगी। इसलिए हम कोई भी बात करते हुए स्टूडेंट के साथ हमें ये जानना चाहिए कि उसका एज ग्रुप क्या है। So the age group is very important as far as the development of self-esteem is concerned. अगर बच्चे जो हैं they are displaying the right kind of behaviors, so they have to be praised, and what happens as a consequence is that there is a sharp increase in their self-esteem. They become confident and they know that while sitting in the classroom they have to follow the right kind of behaviors. So praise has a big importance in a classroom. बाज़-औक़ात teachers जो हैं they are very thrifty in terms of giving praise. हम students को acknowledge नहीं करते, हम उनको praise नहीं करते, हम उनको शाबाश नहीं देते for displaying the right kind of behaviors. हम ये तो देखते हैं कि ये behavior जो है ये बुरा है, ये हमने नहीं करना and it is followed by a negative consequence. लेकिन इसमें हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि the right kinds of behaviors that are displayed in the classroom, they need to be acknowledged as well. So please make sure that when your students exhibit the right kind of behaviors, those behaviors need to be fully acknowledged in the classroom. Reward mechanism क्या है? How can a teacher reward a student? Now reward mechanism can be of several types. For example, reward mechanism जो है that can be verbal, which means that the teacher can say well done or excellent or good effort. This is what we call verbal praise. इसका देना बहुत जरूरी है. So please be generous about praising students. Verbal praise should always be there when students display the right kind of behaviors. इसके अलावा non-verbal praise भी होती है. Non-verbal praise जो है उसमें आपके facial expressions, nods, smiles ये सब आ जाते हैं. So that is very important. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हर वक्त हम verbally students को praise करें. With a big smile on our face, with a change in our facial expressions, we can still praise the students. इसके अलावा tokens. We can give tokens to students. Tokens से हमारी मुराद है मसलन stars, मसलन smiling faces. We can put them in their copybooks or we can put them on their worksheets and that is an exhibition of praising them. That shows that they have done good work or they have displayed good behaviors, so they are given tokens. So all these reward mechanisms are extremely important and are a very powerful means of positive consequences.